In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove, mute, and pin people in Google Meet. This will help you manage your meetings more efficiently and ensure that everyone can participate smoothly. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to Google Meet. You can find Google Meet at meet.google.com. Once the site is loaded, you'll see an option to start an instant meeting. This feature allows you to begin a meeting right away without scheduling one beforehand, which is great for spontaneous discussions or quick team check-ins. After you've started your meeting, you should notice a panel on the right side of the screen. This panel contains different options to manage the attendees and the overall meeting settings. Among these options, locate the tab labeled People. Clicking on it will reveal the list of participants currently in your meeting. This is a handy list where you can manage interactions with specific individuals. Now let's say you need to remove someone from the meeting. In the People tab, scroll through the list of attendees until you find the person you intend to remove. Beside their name, you should see a few icons. Click on the one that resembles 3 dots or a vertical ellipsis. This will open a small menu with different options. Simply select the Remove option and that person will be ejected from your meeting. This feature is especially helpful if someone unintentionally disrupts the meeting or joins without the necessary permissions. Next, let's talk about muting participants. Sometimes background noise or echo can become an issue during meetings. To address this, find the participant you want to mute in the People tab. Once again, click the 3-dot menu beside their name and select the Mute option. It's important to note that participants can unmute themselves after being muted, so it might be worth explaining that you're muting individuals to improve the audio quality for all attendees. Finally, you may want to pin someone's video to your screen. Pinning is useful when a particular person is speaking or presenting, and you want to keep their video centered on your display. To pin someone, hover over their video thumbnail in the main meeting space or their name in the People tab and look for the pin icon. Clicking it will enlarge their video feed on your screen, allowing you to focus on them. With these tools, removing, muting, and pinning, you have more control over your Google Meet sessions, ensuring they proceed without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your meetings more effectively.